Have you ever felt that chill down your spine when you hear a faint rustle in the grass? Like something's out there, sneaking around, watching, waiting. You freeze. Your heart skips a beat. You wonder if it is a ghost, a monster, or some alien visitor just passing through your backyard. But no, it is not some mythical beast or a secret agent on a covert mission. I am the creature you never expected. The silent ninja of the night. The fluffiest speedster you have ever ignored. I am the rabbit. Do not be fooled by my cute, twitchy nose and soft fur. Beneath this innocent fluff lies a world-class athlete. I can leap up to 3 meters. That is like clearing 3 grown-up humans standing shoulder to shoulder. Need to escape? I just spring into action. And I can sprint up to 45 kilometers per hour. Faster than some cars in a city. Your bike might be left eating dust. My eyes? They are not just adorable. I have 270-degree vision, basically. I can see nearly all around me without turning my head. The downside? That tiny blind spot right in front of my nose sometimes causes me to bump into things. Hey, even ninjas have off days. My ears are not just stylish accessories. They are super smart radar dishes that can swivel independently to pick up the faintest sounds, like the soft crunch of a fox sneaking up. But wait, there is more. When it gets hot, my ears act like built-in air conditioners, cooling my blood and keeping me fresh. And they also show my mood. Erect ears mean I am alert and ready. Droopy ears mean I am chilling or maybe a bit shy. Licking ears? Do not annoy me, or maybe I am just bored. I am an underground architect. I am not just a cute face. I am a master builder too. I live in a warren, a complex underground network of tunnels, bedrooms, escape routes, and yes, even bathrooms. Think of it as my personal luxury condo, all built by me with 0 construction permits. My claws are tiny shovels, digging intricate passageways and bunkers without a GPS. So if your garden looks a bit bumpy or you see mysterious holes, that is probably me remodeling my home. Here is a fun fact. My front teeth never stop growing. Ever. That means I am basically a toothy machine that needs to chew constantly. Grass, veggies, twigs, and sometimes your garden hose, oops. If I do not gnaw enough, my teeth can get too long and cause all sorts of trouble. Chewing is not just eating, it is a dental survival strategy. I am a natural expert at keeping my teeth in check. I might not bark or meow, but I have got an entire language of my own, spoken through body moves and sounds. When I do a binky, a happy jump and twist, it means life is amazing. Rubbing my chin marks my territory, this is mine, hands off. Soft teeth grinding means I am calm and content. And my nose, it is like a mood scanner. The faster it twitches, the more curious or hungry I am. famous for breeding like rabbits, and trust me, it is not just a joke. My pregnancy lasts just 28 to 31 days, and I am ready for another litter almost immediately after giving birth. A single pair of rabbits could theoretically produce over 1,000 baby bunnies in a year if nobody intervenes. Yep, we are basically furry baby factories. Despite my speed and agility, I am a pretty sensitive soul. My heart can race up to 325 beats per minute, always primed for the ultimate escape. Loud noises? I vanish like a ninja. Sudden movements? I am out of here. But give me calm surroundings, some tasty veggies, and a comfy corner, and I will be your fluffiest, warmest snuggle buddy. I am not just a backyard resident or a cute pet. I am a creature with stories and symbolism spanning cultures and centuries. In Japan, folklore says I live on the moon making mochi cakes. In ancient Egypt, I was a symbol of rebirth and fertility. In Western culture, I am the Easter Bunny, hiding eggs, delivering chocolate, and confusing children about how biology works. And in your garden, I am the quiet guardian, munching your carrots when you're asleep. So next time you spot twitchy ears, a wriggly nose, and quick feet, do not underestimate me. I am the rabbit, cute, calm, and quiet by day. A high-speed escape artist by night. No cape needed. No loud announcement. Just a soft fur coat, long ears, and the silent grace of a backyard legend.